Imagine this. A man quits his high-paying job. He packs his things and drives across America with his wife. He starts a new business in a tiny garage. No one believes he will succeed. But today, that man is one of the richest people in the world. His name is Jeff Bezos, and this is his amazing story. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 10-Minute English Stories, your favorite place to learn English with inspiring true stories. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today, we have an exciting story about dreams, hard work, and never giving up. Let's begin. Jeff Bezos was born on January 12, 1964, in a small city in America. His mother was only 17 years old when he was born. Life was not easy at first, but Jeff was a very curious boy. He loved taking things apart to see how they worked. He even turned his parents' garage into a little science lab. He built alarms and gadgets. Everyone could see he had big ideas in his head. Jeff studied hard in school. He went to Princeton University and got degrees in computer science and electrical engineering. After college, he got a great job on Wall Street in New York. He worked with money and investments. He became very successful. By the time he was 30, he was the youngest senior vice president at his company. He earned a lot of money. Life looked safe and comfortable, but something inside Jeff was changing. In 1994, he read a report that said the internet was growing very fast, more than 2,000% every year. Jeff thought, this is the future. People will soon buy things online. He made a list of 20 things people might buy on the internet. Books were at the top of the list. Why? Because there are millions of books in the world, but normal bookstores can only keep a few thousand on their shelves. Jeff had a big dream. He wanted to build the biggest bookstore in the world, but online. He called his wife Mackenzie and told her his idea. She believed in him. So Jeff made a brave choice. He quit his safe, high-paying job. Many people thought he was crazy. His boss even tried to stop him. Jeff and Mackenzie packed their car. They drove from New York all the way to Seattle in the state of Washington. While Mackenzie drove, Jeff typed his business plan on a laptop. They had very little money. Jeff asked his parents for help, and they gave him some savings. With that money, they rented a small house in Bellevue near Seattle. The office? It was the garage. Yes, a real garage with a concrete floor. Jeff and Mackenzie worked there with just a few helpers. They built desks from old doors they bought cheap. Computers and servers filled the small space. Sometimes the servers got so hot they had to open the garage door to cool them down. They worked long hours every day. They packed books themselves and drove to the post office to send them. In July 1995, Amazon.com went live. The name Amazon came from the biggest river in the world. Jeff wanted his store to be the biggest, too. At first, they sold only books. The first order came quickly. Then, more and more orders arrived. In the first month, they sold books to people in all 50 states of America and in 45 other countries, without any big advertising. But success brought new problems. Orders grew so fast that the little garage became too small. Jeff and his team moved to a real office, but money was still tight. Many experts said, "This internet thing is just a fashion. It will never last. Amazon will fail." Investors were scared. In 1997, when Amazon became a public company, some people laughed at the idea. Jeff faced many hard days. The company lost money for years. Competitors tried to copy them. The dot-com crash happened in 2000, and Amazon's stock price fell sharply. Some days felt hopeless. But Jeff never gave up. He always said, "It is always day one." That meant they must stay hungry, stay creative, and keep working like it is the beginning. The biggest moment came when Jeff decided to sell more than books. He wanted to sell everything: toys, electronics, clothes, and more. He told his team, start with the customer and work backwards. Make shopping easy. Make it fast. Give the best prices. Focus on long-term success, not quick money. Slowly, Amazon became the everything store. They created Prime membership so customers could get fast delivery. They built huge warehouses with robots. They started Amazon Web Services, or AWS, which helps other companies use the internet. Today, AWS is one of the most successful parts of the company. From that small garage in 1994, Amazon grew into one of the biggest companies in the world. Jeff Bezos became one of the richest people on Earth with a net worth of more than $200 billion. He even started a space company called Blue Origin because he still loves space like when he was a little boy. But the story is not just about money, it is about courage. Jeff left a safe life to follow his dream. He worked hard when no one believed in him. He made mistakes, but he learned from them. He always put the customer first. So, what is the life lesson from Jeff Bezos' story? Dream big, but start small. Take the first step even if the road looks difficult. Work hard every day. Stay patient. Focus on the long term. And never stop believing in yourself. Your garage today can become your big success tomorrow. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video, leave a comment with your favorite lesson, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Tell me in the comments, what big dream do you have? Would you quit a safe job to follow it? Thank you for watching 10-Minute English Stories. See you in the next story. Keep learning, keep dreaming.